Hi guys, today we're gonna take a look at Panama Jack in Playa del Carmen. This video was taken January 2021, so this is during COVID enhanced measurements and COVID policies. So what we just saw was the hallway of Panama Jack. It is an indoor-outdoor feel and very welcoming and peaceful and feels tropical, and surely it welcomes you to paradise. What we're now looking at is a junior suite room booked directly on Panama Jack's website. Rooms have spacious bathroom, good water pressure, looks very clean and newly refreshed, feels cool, has a ceiling fan, has a well-stocked mini fridge, has room service, yes, with a slightly limited menu due to COVID, but it has all your meals, breakfast, lunch / dinner like items, and if you need a drink, even mimosas and Bloody Marys or any other beer that's available on the property, they are glad to deliver it to your room. We also got a balcony that is not technically ocean view as far as the category that we selected, but we can see the ocean from a distance, which I thought was really nice. I do know that if you book directly through the website, you tend to get the better rooms of that category opposed to, let's say, booking a junior suite on Priceline or on Orbitz or on Travelocity. We really enjoyed this balcony. It was nice to hear the birds, see everybody start to go out to the beach. It was nice to people watch, have breakfast here, have cappuccinos here. It's spacious. Yes, it has this little wall that you could potentially see your neighbors, but once you're in your balcony, it's spacious enough so you don't actually feel your neighbors. For a majority of our stay, that room was empty, so that was good. Now what we're looking at is the surrounding property outside of the hotel. This is what Panama Jack looks like from the outside. It is across the street from Hilton Playa del Carmen. These are sister properties, and the Hilton is more money and categorizes as a 5-star. Panama Jack categorizes as a 4-star. So if you want to save a little bit but get a very similar experience, stay at Panama Jack. This is food from their Mexican restaurant. I found the food to be delicious. I found the service at the restaurants to be perfectly lovely and welcoming. Now we're looking at a snack bar with a diner theme called Jack's 24. There's grab and go snacks here, salads, cut fruit, chips, crackers, coffee, a soda machine. Our favorite thing from this snack area was the to-go ceviches. It was really nice to be able to take some ceviche out to the beach with a bottle of wine, or back to our room in the evening with some champagne on our balcony. They also had this cafe in the lobby with such delicious treats such as buttered croissants, chocolate croissants, some cakes, some banana bread. I love their cappuccinos here. This is the main bar, and the main bar is near the entrance to the pool area. The service here was lovely, just a good place to relax. I know they normally have more activities in this area, but again, because of COVID, a few things have changed to avoid gathering. Ventanas, what you just saw, was the entrance to the buffet, which is right now a la carte, but the food is great there. We're looking at the main pool, which is fairly large considering the size of the resort. Plenty of seats for everyone, lots of fun games and activities, a good freshwater pool to hang out in. This is the beach directly in front of Hilton Playa del Carmen, which is to the left of Panama Jack. You can walk over here and hang out. This is the Italian restaurant Bella. What's really cool about the restaurants at Panama Jack, or at least most of the restaurants at Panama Jack, is that they're outside. And so when you go out to dinner, it feels like you went out to town. And it's in the middle of the action. Again, you can people watch, enjoy the breeze, enjoy the vibe of Playa del Carmen. The food was delicious here, especially the lasagna, especially the tomato soup. And let me tell you, the service, top-notch, friendly, welcoming, attentive, thankful and welcoming that you came back to Mexico.